This is cool. So again, this is Pinatubo, the volcano in our backyard by Robert Mantingo. Oh, diba? So I think I'll just perform about Pinatubo. Pinatubo, we remember. Beneath the skies of old Luzon, a giant slept through years bygone. Its breath was smoke, its heart was fire, a mountain cloaked in calm attire. But on a June with clouds so gray, the earth did tremble, skies gave way. Pinatubo woke with thunder's call, and ash like snow began to fall. Pinatubo, it gave birth to fire and ash. Pinatubo, the rivers turned to mud and sludge. Pinatubo, the heart swallowed the land in gloom. Pinatubo, and hopes were buried far too soon. Hopes were lost in ash and stone, but hearts remained, they were not alone. They clung to kin, to land, to song, in sorrow's grip, they still stood strong. Pinatubo, from Angeles to Parac's land. Pinatubo, they rose again with callous hand. Minbangon, Lamin, Kapampangan!
Ay.
Ay, salamat.